Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of the Cinnamon Challenge. Got some cinnamon right here, cinnamon ground spice. Sorry, I'm not exactly this short, it's just cameras on that, so I have to put them down so that you can see me. So I think it's a teaspoon, teaspoon, blah, blah, blah. I'm in my uncle's house, so I don't know where everything is, but I found it in one go, so everything's alright. You ready guys? I'm actually gonna do this. I was gonna do it anyway, but... See, I tried the cinnamon challenge before, then I read the packet and there was cinnamon sugar. Did it look like a lot? Now apparently it's, if none of you guys know what the cinnamon challenge is, it's apparently impossible to swallow, so I'm gonna give this a go and hopefully I don't vomit everywhere. Well, I won't vomit. Ready? It's in. Okay, that's it. That shit. It's impossible to swallow. Thank you guys for watching. And since this was such a short episode, I'm gonna do some. Since it's such a short episode, I'm gonna grab an egg and fucking spit everywhere. And I'm gonna smack it. I have blonde hair now. I'm gonna smack it. Oh, that was supposed to just be like an example. It's already cracked. Okay, what the hell? No. Don't try this at home. It goes right in through. Is that one was it? So, thank you guys for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe.